Good day and welcome everyone. Welcome today again to Edit Codeworks. Welcome to your 12th tutorial in the series Web Application Development using PHP and MySQL. And today we are going to be looking at something called Associative Arrays. Associative Arrays, okay? Associative Arrays is the second type of arrays in PHP, okay? The major difference is that instead of referencing the elements with index numbers, they are referenced with key and value pairs. Their pair values and keys. Okay, not to worry about that definition. Let's get coding so we'll get how associative arrays work. All right, let's get to Notepad process and do this. Remember, if you've not set up your environment, set up your PHP environment. Make sure your XAMPP server is running. XAMPP server, my XAMPP, my Apache is on, my MySQL is on. So next, I open my Notepad++. So here on my Notepad++, we are going to first of all save a file. We're going to call the file Associative Arrays. Associative Arrays.php. All right, having done that, we are going to start. So we'll start with our PHP tag. So now basically associative arrays, the way they are defined, first of all, you state the name of the variable. Okay, let's say I have a set of students and their scores. Students now plus their scores. So I could create an array, call it student data. It's an associative array. At first, it looks like the regular array which we dealt with in my last tutorial, but this time around they are key and value pairs. So first of all, the first value should be the first student score, but we have to add a key. For example, you can have a key called Peter, and the value now is the score. Let's say that. We can have another key called Carl, and the value is 90. We can have another key, we call it Tom, and the value paired to it, like I said, key and value pairs. The value here could be 80. So this is a key, Peter is the key, and this is the value pair. This is the key, and this is the value. Okay, this is very helpful when we start working on connecting our web application to a MySQL database. We have to learn how to process arrays. Now, what's the function of these keys? Now, these keys somehow take the place of the index. So we do not have to say index 0. You don't have to display the first value. We can now say echo student data, and instead of having a number here of which an index number is supposed to go in there, we can just say Peter, and then the second one we could just say Carl, and then the last one we can say Tom. So key and value pairs help you customize your identifiers, how you identify the particular element in the array you want to reference. Okay, all right, let's just separate this with paragraphs, and then let's see what the result of the code would be. All right, let's run this, see what we get. So from htdocs, remember I just copied full file path to clipboard. So it's localhost edit codeworks associative arrays.php. Oh, okay. I used the assignment operator and not the arrow sign for associative arrays, and that's here. All right, so in case you got the error message, this is the cause for the error message. Okay, hence the error. So debugging an application is actually a very important part of programming. These messages are important. It says syntax error, unexpected assignment operator. That is, looks like an equal sign. but here it's supposed to be this sign. Okay, so I replaced it now. So we refresh the code, and then here we have it, the values. Okay, so that's it for creating associative arrays. It's straightforward, it's simple. Now by the next tutorial, we're going to start doing something called iterating through an array. Okay, that's where we start dealing with arrays that are a lot larger in size. That means we have to start looking at how to go through them using the while loop, the for loop, and then another special loop called the for each. Don't miss that. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. If you found it useful, have a wonderful rest of the day. I'll see you guys soon.